Hello wild ones. In today's video I'll be showing you somewhat of a unique method on mylandmatters.org to locate spots that you can go to and dig for free and legally without fear of being in trouble or claim jumping. So come on, let's explore. When you get to mylandmatters.org, you want to look at the key. So zoom in and look at the different options and note that you can choose load, placer, historical, several other options including patented, and those are the main ones I'm concerned with at the moment. So when you have a location of interest and a view zoom of interest, you can toggle between these two or three or four or five selections and generate these squares on the public land survey system. So first of all, you can see the load, the placer that are active. You can use new claims, but that's a little bit redundant, so I don't worry about that. County recorders, you don't have to worry about that too much for this purpose. But then you can also select patents, which is critical for this video, the whole point of this video, because patents are land that's removed and can no longer be claimed. So that means it's available. But that doesn't mean it's on public land. So you also need to be able to select the BLM land, Bureau of Land Management. So that can also be seen using one of the selections on the key here. Land Manager. So in combination with the active load and placer and patent selections with the BLM also selected, you can layer on the historical mining and that is shown in various levels of shading. And when all combined, all these different selections combined, you can locate squares of particular interest that are only blue, that have BLM land, and historical mining. So those are the three criteria of the special square that we're looking for. And here's an example of that. And remember, when you toggle back and forth from the bird's eye view, you can see that the historical mining districts exceed the current ones. So there are squares to be found that can be claimed or are protected from being claimed by patented land. So I hope you found this information useful, wild ones. I know I have. And also join a club, because the club is always going to get you out near these places to begin with. And this screenshot shows the American Mining Rights Association club locations in southern Motherlode, near Sonora and such. So that's it for this one. Subscribe, like, share, and remember, we'll be giving away $200 to $300 worth of gold every 10,000 subscribers, and smaller giveaways every 1,000. So join us in our adventures, and we'll look for you on the next one. Peace.